Low team. Silence. Echoes. Wow. Bam. As a Mizuki diff. I want to type cat diff. Or my cat just meowed. How does their cat have 1500 healing and mine has 500? What is my team doing? Dude, what is this cat hero? This ball is horrible. Alright, what the fuck is this game? It's not a GG. Hold tab. How is that GG? How is that GG? How is that GG? Holy smokes. I'm versing the Luffy. Monkey D. Luffy. GG's. Me versing Sunny Boy. The father of Joy Boy. Me and this Sojourn just played Ring Around the Rosy for about 10 minutes. JJ's! We beat Monkey D. Luffy! Hello! Hello, Mentas! You know, I was watching some Kung Fu Panda clips. Crane was talking to Tai Lung and he had Mantis on his belt. That's a true story. Reaper no raid, Reaper no raid. I died because I jumped down. Yeah, I'm dead. We have not capped yet. No! Emre left side. I need to. I just need healing. Emre's 1 HP as well. Okay, I don't know. Our fire girl's going crazy. Am I throwing? Or am I just. What am I doing?
Doing whatever you need to be doing.
It's working. GG's. He said like the anime. Smelly fart kids. The fire girl is right side. Fire girl 1, fire girl 1. What are we doing? Fire Girl was one beginning of the fight and no follow-up on her. This team does not want it. Bunny has died for the second time. Ball, can you not roll in their backline? Their uncontested backline? Bap dead. Ball, I'm gonna need you to actually be in the backline though. We need to Bap. Listen, when this monkey dives, pop your window and then swap off Bap immediately.
Bro, what?
Who are you healing on Bap?
Who do you want me to play?
Brig, Juno. Something with more mobility. We have a ball, bro. We have a ball that is like, I don't know what he's doing. Like, what? He said, who do you want to go? Player. Like, their backline is just uncontested, free. Like, the Juno just flying. Juno's half HP. Juno's 1. Ball, you're full HP.
Honest one, bro.
Brig, you shouldn't be up that far.
Are you gonna play for everybody or like?
I wish I could, bro. Trust me, I'm nasty at every roll. What did you just say?
You're trying to IGL and it's just not working. I promise.
There's no IGL. The ball just has to be on the back line because the Winston is not peeling at all, and the Brig just has to play back because she's Brig. That's literally it.
Bro, I know this. What does IGL even mean?
In-game leader.
We just need to group up. You're ulting with nobody there. Brig, play slow. You're by yourself, Brig.
Trying to take pressure off the ball, bro. Get value out of
You don't do that on Brig like that. Yeah, you have to play more back.
Do you play Brig? Are you a Brig name?
Me, yeah, I play Brig. I can play Brig.
Why didn't you choose before?
Are you asking a genuine question? Do you see his positioning?
Yes, I'm asking a
Be dead. Be dead. Do you see his positioning?
What are you talking about my position? With the same amount of death.
Exactly.
What's
That's
so
what
bad
I'm
about it?
saying. Like we were the whole team is not a person.
I died with the team.
Can I contend the same thing that you actually say?
I died with the team, but if the team is in if we're in a losable fight, we're gonna lose the fight. What do you mean?
8 and 8. Every kill you get, you die afterwards. You're at the same time. You're actually
Wait, you guys are professional rage baiters. Well played. You guys are professional rage baiters. You guys are professional rage
It's a classic rebuttal
baiters.
there.
You guys are rage baiters, and you have Bunny on your payroll. You have Bunny on your payroll. You have Bunny on your payroll. I'm convinced.
Yeah.
You have Bunny on your payroll. That is disgusting. Professional rage baiters with Bunny on your payroll. Avoid.
Please avoid me.
Okay, thank you.
Let me check. Nope. You have no profile.
Here, get the last word. Get the last
Red
word.
Zumichi.
So you won.
You played. You're just plat gold player. Wow.
You got it. You got it.
I was really talking to a plat gold player. Wait. Why are they gold? What does Mizuki do, bro? Soldier, be honest with me. Is this map GG's? Fly on the Mercy. I mean, we should win that. Doomfist threw my backline. We won that fight because Doom and Lucio are in the backline on me. I just don't know where we're at. Wow, let's see what we get placed. Gold players. Those are actual gold players, and I lose my last games to get placed Platinum 3. Congratulations, Platinum 3. Woohoo! Time to grind for Grandmaster.